venous leakage is the number one problem of ED. And it usually shows up that you can get an erection, but you can't maintain it, you lose it. That's what venous leakage is. Or that you get an erection and it's not firm for penetration. Or you get an erection, but it's just soft and it goes away very quickly. Those are all different type of venous leakage. And so it's the most common ED presentation. So you don't fix it with a supplement. You certainly don't fix it by not doing the hard work. So guys, you have to do the work. So you have to do the work. You don't fix it by taking Viagra or Cialis. It will make the venous leakage worse. Why? Because you're not fixing the root cause of the problem. Like I said before, the engine of the car is a problem, but all you do is putting oil in, and you put windshield wiper in, and you're just waxing the outside of the car. That's not going to make a difference. So I hope I answered your question in a very detailed way. Men struggling to stay hard, most of the time it comes down to poor blood flow. That's why I put together the Good Morning Wood Smoothie, a nutrient-packed blend designed to restore blood flow naturally. My patients often notice improvement in just a few weeks when they take this part of their daily routine. Click the link below to get the recipe and start boosting your blood flow and firmness today, or go to goodmorningwoodsmoothie.com. Can you treat BPH? Yes, I can. BPH stands for Benign Prostatic Hypertrophy or Enlarged Prostate. Every man will get an enlarged prostate. Yes. And it usually starts after the age of 50. And how do you know if you have an enlarged prostate? Like when you urinate and your urine stream is not as strong as it used to be, the force of the stream is less and it takes you a lot longer to go to urinate. And like during nighttime, you urinate like more than one time. Urinate at nighttime, you go urinate like 2-3 times. Because when you urinate about 2-3 times, you're not going to have good sleep because you're always waking up, going to urinate to the bathroom. So that's how you know you have an enlarged prostate. And then number 2, enlarged prostate can be treated. So we have a protocol in my office where I do electromagnetic therapy on the outside of the prostate. And then we also do internal electromagnetic therapy along with vibration to decrease the size of the prostate. Works very well. Require about 7 sessions weekly to do. And we can even have you do this remotely as well too. I have a protocol that you can do remotely. And if you're interested in how this works for you for enlarged prostate, schedule a discovery call with our team here. I put the QR code, a discovery call with our team, but we do have a protocol that will work literally within like 2 weeks. You will see the result right away. And again, if you have an enlarged prostate, one of the best things you can do is probably to get a prostate massager. If you're going to do it yourself, get a prostate massager that goes on the inside. So here's the prostate here. You need to put the prostate massager to the rectum here, and it goes up and it vibrates the prostate. The reason why vibration help with the prostate is that vibration brings in more blood flow. And when you have more blood flow to the prostate will shrink. Prostate enlarges also when you have low testosterone. And when your testosterone level is low, it will also affect the size of the prostate as well. That's why when men get older, the prostate enlarges. And then when they're on testosterone, the prostate shrinks a little bit and stabilizes. So not everyone have a super enlarged prostate either. But when it's enlarged enough to affect you, we have the protocol for that. Where can you get the penis pump? You can get the penis pump at ednomore.com or check the link down below this video to get the penis pump so you can start exercising your penis again. Remember, you are only one pump away. Okay, modern man, if you're struggling with weak erection, low energy, the food you eat could be the big part of the problem. One of the best research-backed ways to boost circulation, support healthy testosterone, and improve sexual performance is the Mediterranean diet. It's packed with food that open up your blood vessel, lower inflammation, and fuel your hormones naturally. I've seen men notice real improvement in both energy and erection within weeks when they shift to this style of eating. So check out the Mediterranean diet link right here below and get that as soon as you can. Stronger testosterone and better erection. Does it actually have any benefit in penis massage? I assume you said massage or just a myth. It's a good question. It's like jogging. You're talking about jogging, right? I'd rather that you use a penis pump better more than trying to do penis massage. Penis massage, sometimes you can cause damage to your penis muscle when you're doing it too strong. So if you really want to exercise your penis, I'd rather you do it with a penis pump. Don't do rigorous massage to your penis because I've seen men cause damage to their muscles and their penis as well. So you don't want to do that. And just use the penis pump. How often you use the penis pump? Use the penis pump when you first start out. I would say if you do it like 3-4 times a week, it'll be fine, or every other day. If you have ED, you should use it every day. Pump it and leave it in the cylinder for 10 minutes and then deflate. Wait 10 minutes and do another pump up and leave it in the cylinder for 10 minutes and deflate. All right. I have multiple videos talking about the penis pump. Go to my channel and check it out. All right. I'm a big proponent of penis pumping because penis pumping is like exercising your penis and taking your penis to the gym. So don't do jogging, just do penis pumping. So penis pumping, it works even if you don't have ED. So if you don't have ED, it will help you maintain the health of your penis. It will actually make your penis enlarge by 1 inch longer, 1 inch in girth. You do have ED, it will bring in more blood flow to the penis. It will also decrease collagen or scar tissue in the penis. It will also bring in oxygen to the penis to make it more healthy. It will actually exercise your penis because let's face it, man, if you don't have an erection, your penis isn't working, right? And the only time to exercise that is when you either masturbate or have a sexual encounter. So now you can use the penis pump and take your penis to the gym and exercise it on your own. And it only takes a few minutes for you to get an erection with the penis pump. So how good is that? So think of your penis like your biceps. You don't use it, you're going to lose it, and it actually does atrophy. I have seen it in my clinic. When I see men who has ED, have not had sex for years, their penis feels very fibrous. Fibrous meaning hard. It feels like when you touch something, it's like scarred down. The muscles are not as squishy or spongy. It really feels hard. And the penis looks like a boy's penis. It literally shrunk. And sometimes the shaft will kind of goes inside to the foreskin because it shrinks. So the foreskin is covering all the shaft, and the guy sometimes even has a hard time going urinate. So it does shrink. I have seen shrinkage. I've seen shrinkage in men that used to be 7 inches, and now they said, it's a lot smaller than it was, and it looks like a little boy. So it does shrink. I am not kidding you. I have seen shrinkage like before. So the foreskin doesn't shrink. It's the shaft or where the muscle is or the penis shrink. That's why sometimes if you look at your penis and it looks like it's kind of going inward and the foreskin is covering it, that's a sign of shrinkage. So you know your body best. So if you noticing that, then you better start using a penis pump. Your penis pump should be your best friend. I truly believe that every man should use the penis pump, whether you have ED or not. I do believe any man over 21 should use the penis pump. And it works whether you have ED or not, and it benefits you even if you don't have ED. It will make your penis more healthy. It brings in oxygen. It enlarges it, and it keeps it ready. And if you use the penis pump before you have sex, it will actually help you get more firm before sex, and you do it like a few hours before you have sex or the same day. So by the time you do have sex, the penis become more firm, more rigid, and that you last longer as well too. So it is beneficial if you use it before you have sexual activity. Did you guys know that? That's like a little big tip there for you to last longer, to be more rigid as well. Very good. That's a good question. Was that good, Fact Nation? I love all these names. Okay, modern man, you are not alone and you don't have to suffer anymore. ED can feel isolating, frustrating, and even defeating. The endless guessing, the quiet shame, the weight of not feeling like yourself. It's exhausting, but here's the truth. You are not broken. You are not alone. You don't have to figure this out alone anymore. The Get Wood Now Boost program is your step-by-step path to sexual confidence and restoration. No more suffering in silence. No more trial and error. Just real solution, real result, and the confidence you deserve. It's time to take back your power on your terms. Let's get this journey started together. Check out the course at getwoodnow.com. I'll see you there.